Hello, my name's Candice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to do a super easy, super quick, soft glam with a bit of glitter look. So this is suitable for anybody that's beginners and it takes no precision at all, and if you go wrong you just buff it out. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, please continue to watch. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification button if you wish. Bye! So starting off with the Plouise Hot Shot Brow Balm, and I'm just pushing that gently through my eyebrows. And you need to keep combing that through. Once you've combed that through, your eyebrows should stay in place then. Now using the NYX Hydra Touch primer, and then we're going in with the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation in Barcelona, and I'm just applying this with a foundation brush to all of my face and getting into those creases. Then using a beauty sponge just to lightly press that in. I have speeded it up here so as not to take too long, but it's just slightly dabbed it in. So just using Charlotte Tilbury's concealer in the shade medium 2. I'm just applying that underneath my eyes and a bit onto my lid, and then using a beauty sponge to dab that in. And then going in with Nars Radiant Concealer in the shade Custard and applying that to where I need a bit more extra concealer and the light for when I get to contouring my face. Now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour in the shade Caramel, I'm going to contour my face. And I'm just going down the edges of my nose, sides of my nose, with a smaller brush. And now using the same beauty sponge that I used for my foundation, I'm going to blend all that contour out and the concealer. Now going in with the Laura Mercier Celestial Light and a powder puff, I'm just going to set my face and my under eye. Basically everywhere I've put that concealer, I'm going to set. And I'm only using a small amount here, just to set my face. Now going in with the Kylie Jenner bronzer in the shade Toasty, I'm going to go over the places where I've done the cream bronzer and set my face with that. Now going back in with the Laura Mercier powder, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. Now using the XX Revolution brow pomade in medium brown, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using a really small eyebrow brush that I've got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've had it years, so I don't even know the number of it, but I keep going back to this brush. It's perfect for doing tiny little brow strokes, mimic hairs. Now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go in with my first shade, which is Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease. Then using a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna And I'm just going to mark out sort of a shape now. And then going back in with burnt orange, just to buff out those edges and have no sharp lines. So here I'm going to go in with the XX Revolution gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply gel to the outer edge where I'm having a flick. I'm not going to go across just yet, but I just want to get this in place and have it already marked out. And as you can see, this is a really black gel eyeliner. Now going in with the shade Glistening Gold, I'm just going to pat that over, all over the lid. And then using the NYX glitter glue, I'm just going to apply that to where I've applied Glistening Gold. And then go in with Kaima Cosmetics Glitter in Glamour, just to give it a bit more sparkle. If you don't want too much sparkle, you can leave it at that. So when you're going in with the glitter, you want to use light tapping motions. And as you can see, it's so nice and glittery now. Now going back in with my gel eyeliner, I'm going to stamp that across my eyelid, trying to get as close to my lash line as possible. The tip here is to stamp the product rather than dragging across your eye. That way you end up with more of a sharper line. And I'm going to use that in my inner corner as well. If you do the stamping technique, you will get a much more crisper line. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara and just apply that to my lashes. Now using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to sweep away that excess powder. And then going into my waterline with Plouise blank canvas, I'm just going to pop that in to give it a nice nude waterline and make my eyes look a little bit bigger. And then going back in with Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go back into burnt orange and just go underneath my lash line with that, just to bring it in all together. Now going in with Kylie Cosmetics blush in Kitten Baby. I'm going to use that to focus on the apples of my cheeks first and then sweep it outwards and up towards my temple. Then going into Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in Cheers Darling. I've wet my highlighter brush and then I've gone into this and I'm just going to apply this to the eye points of my face and along the bridge of my nose and just where my Cupid's bow is. Now using Revolution Superfix setting spray, I'm just going to set my face. So here I've also applied my lashes. I got these off Amazon, so they don't have no name. Now using the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in Bare, I'm going to first of all line my lips, and then I'm going to use the liquid lipstick. Then go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Oh You Fancy. I'm just going to add that into the centre of my lip, just dabbing it on, just give it a little bit more glitter. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that with me and getting ready with me tonight. I'll pop some pictures in and you can see how it all looks once I have my outfit together. Bye!